the worst human rights violation committed on a Filipino citizen who is a helpless, sickly old man who so far happens to be the most loved and popular former president of the Philippines. Again, sabi ko, this is basic kidnapping committed by the corrupt Marcos administration, conniving with the ICC, who has now become a tool of political persecution of a Filipino citizen. It has meddled in the politics of the Philippines, and it has resulted in violating the independence of the Philippine nation. It is a slap on each and every face of every Filipino. Why? Because it is a case of Western arrogance, of foreign intervention. Akala ng mga dayuhan na tayo, mga bobo, di tayo marunong mag-solve ng ating mga problema. Ano nangyari? Nag-interfere ang ICC, na kagulo tayo ngayon. Sabi nila na ang Pilipinas daw, pwede daw ipadala ang ating presidente doon, itry nila. Why? Because sabi nila sa Philippines, failed state tayo. Which means ang Pilipinas daw walang working government. Wala tayong judicial system. Wala tayong mga abogado, mga prosecutor, mga huwes. Sabi nila tayo mga bobo. Mga kababayan, isigaw natin. Tell them, kaya namin ito. Foreigners, leave us alone. We love our president. Bring him home. 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 Bring him home.
Salamat po, former Councilor Thomas. So, next po, mag-offer po ng song. Ito naman po is Christian song po from Isa. So, we're calling at Isa sa presence here dito sa harap.